All right, everybody, welcome back. It's that time again. We have cookies, something you've all been waiting for. We said you'd get it, and we deliver for a fee. Today we are going to do a traditional Italian Easter or Dolce de Pasqua lemon ricotta cookie. So what do we need? Some nice fresh organic lemons. We're going to use some all-purpose flour, sugar, the lemon, baking soda and baking powder, full fat ricotta, and an egg. We got the flour and the eggs. Just need the yeast. Well, wait a second. We got it. So really at this point, just let's preheat the oven to 350. These cookies are super easy to do. You won't believe how easy this is.
Hi, my name is Theresa. We will be washing our lemons so that when we zest them into this 1 cup of granulated sugar, it will be a clean zest, being very careful not to get any of the white underbelly because that will create a bitter flavor. So we're going to take this sugary mixture with lemons into 1 stick of unsalted butter. And we're gonna pop that KitchenAid mixer onto medium so it creates a nice creamy texture before we begin adding in 1 whole large egg and then also your ricotta. We're using full fat ricotta. Just make sure when you're preparing your ricotta to take off any of that water residue because we don't want our cookies to be soggy. So as you can see, the measurements are popping up on your screen to help you along. So we have all of those wet ingredients mixed up and now we're going to be adding our dry. This is the creaming method of a cookie creation. So when we add our dry ingredients, we're only gonna wanna mix it in that bowl until it's just mixed so it doesn't develop too much of that gluten in the flour. We are going to want to chill this cookie dough for at least 2.5 hours. So now that we are ready, we are going to pop those cookies into the oven, 350 degrees. As Cam mentioned, you should have had that oven ready to go. While our cookies are in the oven, we're going to prep our glaze. The glaze is my favorite thing in the entire world. Wait until you taste this glaze. This glaze, you can use it on anything. You can put it on a bundt cake. You can put it on a loaf cake. You can drizzle it on top of a muffin. But right now we are going to be using it on top of our lemon ricotta cookies. We want the fresh lemon zest. We want powdered sugar, and then we want fresh lemon juice, creating that liquidy texture that I need to be able to dip those cookies. As you can see, I'm dipping, rolling it, popping it back out, and then putting it onto either a parchment lined paper sheet or a cookie tray that you'll be serving the cookies in. Back to Cam so that he can take you through the tasting, and be sure to follow us for more.
Now these are a staple treat in southern Italy where lemons grow everywhere. Sprinkles are optional. I think they're pretty neat looking. Let's be honest, the only reason why we make these cookies is to eat these cookies. And when you have that and this, well, look at that, amazing. The lemon flavor is multi-layered in here. It's in the cake, it's in the glaze. You saw how we mixed the lemon zest and the granulated sugar together. What a pop of freshness. This kills the Starbucks lemon loaf. No competition. So don't forget to save this video so the next time you see one of these in the supermarket, you know exactly where it belongs, in your cookies. We'll see you next week. We got some other great things. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon.